guys, this is so weird. I haven't filmed in so long. I like missed you guys, but I'm here. I'm back. This is the longest I've ever gone without uploading. I know I suck, but you know, I just got caught up. Never see it happen again, all right? I promise you. To make up for it, I am doing a huge giveaway on YouTube and Instagram. By the time this video goes up, the Instagram giveaway will also be live. So if you guys are interested in seeing that one as well, make sure you guys go ahead and head on to my Instagram, which is just at Tina Halata. I'll have it on the screen somewhere. So yeah, I am doing 2 separate giveaways, 2 separate winners, and they're going to be huge. So if you guys want to see what I'm giving away, make sure you guys stay tuned till the end of the video. It's my way of saying I'm sorry for being such a horrible YouTuber for the past 2 weeks, but yeah, let's get into the video. Before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, as well as check out all my other social media pages, which are Tina Halata, except for my Snapchat, which is Tutorials by Tina. As you guys know from the title, today's video I'm going to be doing the subscribers pick my makeup challenge. So basically I went on Twitter and I ran a bunch of polls basically saying like what foundation should I wear, and that way you guys vote which one I should use. So I did that for everything. I even asked like what kind of eyeshadow look I should do, if I should add glitter, you know, all that stuff. And I haven't checked the results yet, so I guess we'll see how well you guys know me, or if you guys wanted to play me, you know. I gave you guys a few little tests here and there to see if you guys know me at all. Yeah, if you guys are interested to see me do my makeup with only products and techniques that you guys picked, make sure you guys just keep on watching. I miss doing that. Aw. Okay, so I haven't been on Twitter yet, but what foundation should I wear? So I listed 4 different foundations: the Giorgio Armani, Tarte Shape Tape, Huda Beauty, Faux Filter, and then the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And they're pretty close, but the Huda Beauty Faux Filter and Estee Lauder Double Wear are tied, both at 28%. So I guess, what does that mean if they're tied? Should I mix them? I'm gonna mix them. Yeah, all right, I'm not gonna play around today, okay? I'm gonna mix the foundation so y'all don't come for me. I'm gonna pump a little bit of the Huda Beauty and some of the Estee Lauder. This one is like almost out, so this is gonna take a while for me to get this out. Hello. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say in the intro, but I got this idea from James Charles. I'm not sure who he got the idea from. I'm pretty sure it was Safi and Nygaard. But yeah, I'll have both of their videos linked down below. I have no idea how this is gonna go, mixing these 2 foundations together. I don't want to cheat and just pick Estee Lauder one, because we all know that one is definitely my preferred foundation of choice. Oh my god, I forgot to prime. Nothing has changed, you guys. Nothing has changed. Well, I also did ask you guys what primer to use, so I guess we're just gonna act like that never happened. It's actually not half bad. I don't know what to expect. I've never mixed these foundations together. Also, I usually would pre-film for like when I travel, but this time I don't know what I was getting myself into. I thought I was gonna be there for 4 days for Coachella and then come home, but clearly that didn't happen. I actually only vlogged Coachella. I didn't vlog like my time in LA. And the vlog was already like 22 minutes long. I was like, okay, let's not. But yeah, we ended up getting our flight canceled because in Palm Springs there's a lot of wind. The plane couldn't land, so they had to like delay it, and we were just like, okay, we know this flight's gonna get canceled, so we left anyways. We called an Uber to go stay with Daisy in LA. We were like, okay, we'll just get a flight the next day, which would have been Tuesday. We get there and Daisy's like, you know what, why don't you guys just stay till Thursday? And Shelby's like, okay, why don't we just stay till Friday? So this is literally, I can't believe how easy it is like to convince us. But yeah, and then on Friday I was supposed to leave and I was just sitting down with Daisy and she's like, why don't you just stay 2 more days? She's like, I'll buy your flight, just come stay with me. And I stayed. Didn't take much convincing, but yeah, that's what happened. But I'm back, and that's what matters, okay? So foundation is done. This is actually looking really nice. Wow, hello. Amazing. For concealer, I put 3 options: Tarte Shape Tape, ColourPop No Filter, and Maybelline Fit Me. Tarte Shape Tape won by 42%, so you guys know me. I have a feeling you guys voted for like all my usual products because you guys know me so well. I'm honestly so over doing my makeup. Like when I was in LA and Coachella, it was just like non-stop every day, full beat, and I was like, oh my god.
Smoking on some kill, put a bad little bitch on the pill. What the drug dealers and thugs be.
Okay, so now to set my face, I only had 2 options because I literally only ever use 2 powders. I don't even think I have another one. I put Laura Mercier Patrick Star collaboration with MAC, and the Patrick Star one won by 57%. So let's get it. I love this powder. Okay, the face is set. So for bronzer, I put 4 options: Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil, Physicians Formula, Benefit Hoola, and Tarte Park Avenue. And the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer won by 40%. Wow, you guys know me so well. I'm just using my regular products, honestly, at this point. This is what you wanted, right? Oh, we love her, honestly. Next up is blush. And I also had 3 options. So MAC Peaches, Milani Luminoso, and Jouer Blossom. You guys picked Milani Luminoso. Wow, 46% of you. I haven't used Milani Luminoso in so long, though. I don't know why. She's back. By popular demand. Okay, so now for highlight. You guys voted by 55% Anastasia Amrezy, and that's been my favorite lately. I had some other really popular ones, but this one won by a lot. So I had Anastasia So Hollywood, Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and the Balm Mary Luminizer, and they all had like less than 20%. Amazing. We love her. Okay, so for which eyeshadow palette, you guys voted Jaclyn Hill palette by 40%. I also put Anastasia Modern Renaissance. I put the Morphe 35B to see if you guys wanted some color, but that one only has 21%. So, yeah. And I also put the Hudy Beauty Rose Gold. That was a test because you guys know I don't like that palette. 18% of you still voted it. Wow. Wow. No, I'm just kidding. But I love this palette. It's just I can't really do anything like too new or crazy with it, you feel. I also asked what type of eyeshadow look I should do. You guys said Halo Eye. Come on. This is your guys' opportunity. Let me do something different, and y'all just... You see, sometimes the people want it. This is for all the people that comment saying, oh, you always do the same look. Listen. This is proof. Don't come complaining to me because that's what y'all voted for. I'm actually gonna try out a new technique though that I've been seeing lately. It's basically people will just pack on the darkest shade and then go in with their light shades and like blend it out. I'm gonna try that out today, see if it works. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hello. Up close and personal. How are you? The first shade I'm gonna go in with is gonna be the darkest shade. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Yeah, I'm taking it on kind of like a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna pack it around my eye. I want this to be really like grungy and smoky. I haven't done eyeshadow in such a long time though. So I'm gonna pack it like on the inner and outer corner because this is a halo eye, kids. I'm gonna take a little bit of like a dark brown too. Throw that in the mix, why not? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I need to put baking powder under my eyes. I don't know why, but I always get fallout like on my nose. I don't even know how that happens, but it happens. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color. Yeah, these two. I feel like when it comes to the crease colors, there isn't that much like diversity here. They're all pretty warm. Brush is this. This is a Morphe M514, and I'm gonna take those shades and kind of blend them on top. I don't really know how people do this, but I've seen it on Instagram. Oh my god, I need more freaking powder. This is a joke. There goes my highlight. Listen. I feel like that literally just got rid of the dark shade, but okay. Literally, watch this, okay? I don't know where that dark color went. Look, what? Hello. I'm just gonna reapply some of that dark shade that I used since it did get blended away. I don't know where it went. I'm so confused. I want this to be like really dark and smoky. Now I'm gonna grab this color and kind of mix it with a little bit of this just to really darken it up. And I'm mainly just gonna apply this on the inner and outer corner just to create like definition. Now I'm gonna cut the crease because I can't do a halo eye anymore without cutting my crease. I used to like, I don't know what I used to do, honestly. Like, what did I used to do? What did we all used to do before there was cut halo eyes? Because I don't know. You guys also told me to add glitter. I said add glitter, yes or no. You guys said yes, so I'm gonna add a little glitter as well. So I can't talk during this part, but you guys have seen me do this, so Now I'm gonna add some glitter since you guys said so. Since I did a halo eye, I hate the way that glitter looks on the lid, so I'm just gonna apply it in like a little line on the top, and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter liner. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to do something really smoky. So I'm first just going to take this color, just to kind of start it off, you know. I'm going to take this color, this color, this color, and this color, and just smoke it all out. You'll see. Alright, so lower lash line is smoked out. Eyes are looking a little crazy, but now for lashes, let's see what y'all voted. If you guys didn't pick Lily Lashes in Miami, Lily Lashes in Miami won by 55%. The other lashes I picked were Lily Lashes in Mykonos and New Balance and Bella's. You guys picked Miami's, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply them off camera, and as always, you guys can use the code TINA to save 15% off your purchase at Lily Lashes. Okay, so the eyes are done. I actually really love this look. So last thing is lips. I had 4 options again: matte nude, glossy nude, red, and something else. 44%. I feel like I'm like announcing an award show right now. By 44%, glossy nude won. So I'm gonna do a glossy nude lip, which actually fits perfect with this, so great. I'm gonna first take my Jouer lip liner. This has been like my favorite thing at the moment. Okay, I don't know why I can't go without lining my lips now. I used to never line my lips. This is in the shade Fawn, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors lipstick. This is the Desi and Katie one in the shade No Shade. And I'm just gonna apply that just for like an overall color, and then I'm gonna go in with the gloss. I kind of like how this looks matte, but I'm gonna go in with the gloss because I have to. This is the Buxom, what kind is this? The Full On Lip Cream, I think, in the shade White Russian. This is my favorite lip gloss. Okay, so now on to today's giveaway. I'm gonna try to get through this as fast as possible. I have a lot of products here, so I'm just gonna go. Gotta try to keep up, okay? So I'll first be giving away this BH Cosmetics palette. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna real quick show you guys. Okay, we're not gonna waste any time here. Next thing I'm giving away is the entire Morphe Blushing Babes collection. I have all these highlighters. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 highlighters. If you guys want to see what everything looks like, look it up. I don't want to make this too long, you know. And then these blush trios. Yes, okay, there's 7 blush trios, all from Morphe. And then 2 Morphe face palettes. This is the W8, oh wait, what? 8W. I was reading it through the mirror and it says W8, whatever. The 8W and the 8C. So this is a cool one and this is a warm one. They're face palettes. Next, I'll be giving away 2 bronzers from Too Faced. So the Sun Bunny and the Dark Chocolate Soleil. I'll be giving away every single shade. The Too Faced Natural, what are these called? Wait. The Too Faced Natural Nudes Coconut Butter Lipstick. So all of the shades, literally all of them. There's 10 shades. Then I'll also be giving away 4 Milani highlights. These are also new, and these are kind of more like of your colored highlighters. So here are them right there. And then I'm giving away these 5 Milani lip toppers. These are all kind of holographic and really, really cool. And then I'll be giving away these 5 eye toppers. So it's kind of like the same concept. They basically just came out with a whole collection of like holographic makeup products. So they have the holographic highlighters, the holographic lip toppers, and then the holographic eye toppers. And these are so pretty, you guys. And then I'll be giving away this BH Cosmetics brush set. BH Cosmetics has some of the best brushes I've tried. They're all super, super soft and amazing. I'll be giving away 5 pairs of Lily Lashes in Miami because I love you guys, okay? If you guys have been wanting to get Miami's for a long time, I know they are pretty expensive, but this is your chance because I'm giving away 5 pairs, okay? So last items are these 3 palettes, all from Too Faced. This is the Natural Eyes, and this is an eyeshadow palette. I also have the Natural Face palette, which is a like cheek and face palette. It has like blush, bronzer, and highlight. There's actually 2 eyeshadow palettes. So one is a shimmer and then one is a matte, and they're both kind of like that natural palette type of look. And then I will also be giving away one of the Milk Makeup Kush mascaras. This is a new mascara. Pretty much everything here is a very, very new collection. I'm not even sure if some of this stuff is out yet. Yeah, so as always, there are 3 rules to enter. The first rule is to subscribe to my channel. Actually, there's 4. What am I saying? You must be subscribed in order to enter this giveaway. The second rule is to give this video a thumbs up. The third rule is to go ahead and turn on your post notifications. If you guys don't know what that is or what it does, basically you'll be notified every single time that I upload. And it's that little bell button right next to the subscribe button. So make sure you hit that. And the fourth rule to enter, I'm actually not sure what to ask you guys. I never think of like the question before I do the giveaway. I always just come up with on the spot. You know what? You know what, you guys should comment what your favorite color is, okay? Just do it. All right, I couldn't think of anything, so comment your favorite color as well as your Instagram handle or an email, a Twitter handle, literally anything where I can just DM you guys or email you guys to notify you if you won. You can even put your phone number. Actually, no, don't put your phone number, but you get what I mean. Just anywhere I can message you guys, notify you that you won. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner on May 13th. That goes for both the Instagram and the YouTube giveaways. I'll be announcing both of those on May 13th. Okay, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this subscribers pick my makeup challenge. You know, I'm honestly surprised you guys didn't pick any like crazy stuff, because honestly, this is like what I normally do. So yeah, before you guys do leave, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.